Welcome back to our ultimate weight loss and management journey. And today we are going to tackle one of the most crucial aspects of weight loss, meal planning. If you have ever struggled with figuring out what to eat while trying to lose weight, you are not alone. A solid meal plan can be the game changer you need to stay on track, avoid unhealthy choices, and hit your goals. In this video, we'll dive into choosing the right foods, mastering portion control, and creating a balanced diet that works for you. And don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, let's talk about food choices. The key is to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. These are the foods that will keep you feeling full and provide your body with the fuel it needs to burn fat. Aim to fill your plate with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of veggies. And don't forget about healthy fats. They are essential for your body's metabolism. Next up, portion control. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you are eating too much of them. A simple trick is to divide your plate into portions. Half of your plate should be veggies, a quarter should be lean protein, and the last quarter should be whole grains or complex carb. And remember, measuring your portions, even just for the first few weeks, can help you understand what a true serving size looks like. Now, let's put it all together with a balanced meal plan. Your meals should provide a balance of protein, carbs, and fats to keep you full and satisfied throughout the day. Meal prep is a great way to stay consistent. Plan your meals for the week, prep them in advance, and you will be less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy choices. But remember, it's not just about what you eat. Exercise plays a huge role in weight loss too. In our next video, we are going to dive into effective exercise routine to complement your meal plan. We'll show you how to make exercise a regular part of your routine and maximize your fat loss. Now, it's your turn. Start planning your meals for the week using the tips we covered today. And if you have already got a meal plan, share it with us in the comments below. Let's help each other stay on track. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video where we'll focus on exercise routines that will take your weight loss to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video for some game-changing workouts.